Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to back up your photos to your OneDrive folder. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official OneDrive folder on your PC that you're using. As you can see, I have opened it up right here, and here you can find all of my files and photos that I want to back up. So guys, these are now my files, so let's go ahead and see how to back up my photos. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the OneDrive application right here by clicking on OneDrive right here in the upper left corner, and it's going to now open up this new menu where you can see the amount of storage you have used. So as you can see, here is your storage and your percentage. So as you can see, we have the upgrade button, and next to the upgrade button in the lower bottom corner, we want to go ahead and open up the settings. So guys, go ahead and click on the settings icon right here, and it's now going to go ahead and open up this new menu with options. As you can see at the left side of the screen, you have the account settings, notifications, about, and so on. You want to go ahead and click on the sync and backup options. And guys, now you can see that you have multiple options right here, like save photos and videos from devices. So you want to turn this on. You want to turn on every option that is regarding photos, and you want to go ahead and click on this option right here that says backup important PC folders to OneDrive. Click on manage backup and just manage that you want to back up all of your folders, where your photos are, and after that all of your photos in OneDrive will be successfully backed up. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.